Welcome to KAVASS. Here's our upgraded bike repair station. The top features the handles with black rubber covers to protect the bike's paint during servicing. We use SATA repair tools made from premium S to alloy steel. Each tool features a special anti-rust coating, ensuring durability and reliability, perfect for outdoor use. The 304SS wire rope connecting them is 1.2 long and can be cut by scissors to avoid stealing. At the same time, to prevent the wire rope and the edge of the cut hand. Wire rope wrapped in plastic with added edge protectors at the edges. The pump itself is made of a high-strength alloy that can withstand being run over by a car. We have also added a metal casing to the outside of the pump for further protection. An air hose length 1 meter too. High flexibility during inflation. The pump has an air pressure gauge for accurate pressure measurement, ensuring pounds of gas and a 99% increase in efficiency.
Okay.
Also equipped with multifunctional universal air nozzle to meet different needs. Handles and pumps are detachable for easy transport. The overall surface treatment of the bike repair station is e-coating plus powder coating, which can ensure the rust prevention in outdoor. This is the bike repair station. Thanks for watching. For more details, follow our channel or contact our sales team. Our email is above.